11 midway point, and we're now right here at Kitcharao, and this is the middle of Cabadbaran and Surigao City. This is also just happened to be the midpoint of our run today. We're now on a 34 kilometer mark, and we're looking forward to you know, this part is a very hilly part, and it's going up and down, and I think we're expecting for the same terrain today, right? The same terrain of going up and down. This is a very mountainous place, but beautiful. For the first time I've seen Lake Mainit, a beautiful place with the scenery of the mountain and the hills and the coconut trees. Amazing. We're looking forward to another 34 more kilometers. A group of runners from Surigao, they're gonna pick us up somewhere Badass. Now that is real ultra marathon term, Badass. They're gonna meet us there and then run towards the 66 kilometer mark towards the end. They want to run 5 kilometers with me before we start heading back to or heading towards the pier where Mayor Alfred is waiting for us. And so we're hoping we'll be able to reach that place maybe around mid-afternoon. It's 10:15 in the morning, and so keep it up. Here's my team right here, plus our security. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
And so this is truly an amazing, beautiful place. That's the Kitcharao van who is watching us. I want to thank them for really making sure that we're okay. All right, see you at the pier. All right, see you on the road.